So here's example 3. This is a word problem. However, this is a pretty simple word problem because the function is written for you. A lot of the piecewise word problems that you will come across will require you to have to write the function yourself, unfortunately. But let's take a look at this one. It says, during a particular year, the taxes owed by a married person filing separately with an adjusted gross income of X dollars is given by the piecewise function below. So you have 3 subfunctions, and you can use each subfunction to determine the amount of taxes that you'll have to pay. And then you have these subdomains that determine which one of the functions you'll use to figure out your taxes. So for the first subdomain, you can see that this is if you make between $0 and $17,900. The middle one is if you make between $17,900 and $43,250. And then the last one is if you make more than $43,250. So now the question here is, find and interpret T of 70,000 plus T of 40,000. So let's suppose that one person, let's say the wife makes 70,000 a year and her husband makes 40,000 a year, and we are finding the amount of T taxes that she's going to pay plus the amount of taxes that he is going to pay. So this number will directly refer us to which one of these subdomains. So her subdomain is going to be this red one here because 70,000 is a lot more than 43,250. So we will be using this function for her. So 0.31 times 70,000 minus 43,250 plus 9,783, and then we look at his, and his is 40,000, so his falls in this middle range here. So for his we use this function, 0.28 times 40,000 minus 17,900 plus 2,685. So now we need to find each one of these. So if we enter the first one into the calculator, we can see that she is going to be paying, $18,075.50. And then the second one, he is going to be paying $8,873. So we need to add these two together. To get their total amount of taxes that they pay. So they pay a total of $26,948.50 in taxes.